Hello, welcome to my channel. So we have a John Doe found in Wright, Wyoming. They don't know who it is. November 11th in 1895, 40 to 50 years old, about estimated 5'2", estimated 165 pounds. Recognizable face, which means it must have happened recently. Black hair, graying black hair, chest hair black, black mustache and beard. Brown eyes. So yeah, it had to have been really recently. It talks about the tattoos, which you can read there, and they don't know who that is. And there's a list of the clothing. He had a green Mexican blanket vest, and they just don't know who it is. And there's some images of what he may have looked like. And I went looking for someone that may have been reported missing. Oh, he was found in a coal train. And this John Doe went missing from Phoenix, Arizona, November 8th, 1995. Could he have taken a coal train to Wright, Wyoming from Phoenix, Arizona? 5'3" to 5'5", it says. I don't know. It says he was last seen about 3:15 in the vicinity of 2500 block of East Van Buren Street in Phoenix, Arizona. May suffer from mental illness. Gray or partially gray hair, black, possibly graying hair. Talks about some tattoos, red-headed sweatshirt. The image looks like someone who's already passed away. The image just looks wrong to me. It doesn't look like a living person. Let me know what you think. Anyway, I don't know if that could be him or not, or if it's somebody else. And so, and there's other missing people. I don't know if it might be somebody that wasn't even reported as missing, right? Anyway, there's a tattoo that he had on him, and his shoes. And the coal train route. That might help, right? Don't forget to pray for his family, his loved ones. They have no idea what happened to him, whoever he is. And there's a coal train route. So I don't know where it starts and ends. I'm going to try to zoom in some. So anyway, feel free to leave comments. I'm not sure where he would have gotten on the coal train. It's a cool map though. There's Texas. Fort Worth, Texas. Amarillo. That's crazy. I don't know where this is. And there's Wyoming. So anyway, feel free to leave comments. Maybe you've seen a John Doe that was missing from somewhere. And anyway, we all want people to be able to find their loved ones and to be able to have closures, even if it would be wonderful, even if they could have the skeletal remains and be able to scatter their ashes and know what happened to their loved ones. And I don't know if that could be him or not. Probably not. But don't forget to pray for the John Doe as well as that missing man. And feel free to leave comments. And have a blessed day. Bye-bye.